Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change password on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Now click on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Here click on Account option. Then tap on Password option. Here you'll have to enter your phone number or email address in order to verify. Then tap on Send Code option. Now enter the code. Here you'll have to enter your new password. Your password must have at least 8 characters, 1 letter and 1 number, and 1 special character. Then tap on the next button. And that is how you can change your password on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.